guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another exciting video. By seeing the title and thumbnail you already know, and that's why probably you are here. But today we are going to talk about the Schwarzkopf Peptide range shampoo and the mask. Now I don't have the bigger version because I have already finished that one up. This is my second bottle. I have finished up a shampoo and the mask, and this one comes for free when you purchase something from Schwarzkopf above 1500 rupees, I believe. That's why I got this product for free, but I'm just gonna talk about the product because I have finished up a tub, right? So I have my full opinion about these two products. So if you're interested, serious mishaps happens, but let's keep on moving. So if you're interested, then please continue watching to know my review about these two products. Let's go. Alright, so the shampoo retails for 900 rupees for 250 ml, where the mask retails for 1000 rupees for 200 ml. You can purchase this individually or together, whatever you prefer. They are widely available on every e-commerce platform such as Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. This shampoo claims to repair you 3 years of damage. So if you have a lot of damage due to overheat or sun damage, whatever it can be, it can cure that. That's what it claims. Without the shampoo and mask, they also have 4 different products in the same range which you can use. One is the spray conditioner, normal conditioner, sealed ends and a Nutri serum. You can do that whole procedure once in a month, but if you're trying to get through 6 steps at a time every single time whenever you are washing your hair, that can be a little bit overwhelming. Let's talk about the shampoo. The shampoo has very gel-like texture and it's completely transparent. This is a very good mild shampoo which you can use regularly. If you're someone who uses shampoo 4 or 5 times in a week, you can definitely consider this because it will not foam up a lot and it will clean all those dirts. Firstly, I'm gonna take you through my experience and usage as well so that you can understand how it performs on my hair. A night before, I oiled my hair. Personally, I'm not an oily person, but just to cure my damages, I recently started using oils. I don't use a lot of oil. I just take a few pumps and I just massage it all across my scalp. After massaging it for a while, I keep it overnight and then I wash it off with shampoo. When you are oiling your hair, keep that in mind. No matter how less oil you are using, this will not foam up on your hair. Despite of taking a very generous amount, it wasn't foaming up at all. Just to make you understand in a better way, here I am using it for the second time and now you can see it is foaming up, right? What I'm trying to say, you don't need to use it twice, okay? It is just wastage of product. As it is a very expensive shampoo compared to other shampoos, you don't want to waste this product at all. I know it gives you a little bit of satisfaction, but you don't want to waste this much of money to get this type of satisfaction. In one go, it removes all the oiliness, dandruff, gunks, dirts, whatever you have on the scalp, on the strands, it cleans away. You can straightly go on with the conditioner or serum if you prefer. Mask helps in giving those smoothness to your hair actually, which a shampoo alone cannot give it. I like to use the mask all across my strands. I keep it for like 10 minutes. Schwarzkopf masks are supposed to be kept for 5 minutes, but I don't think 5 minutes is enough. After these 2 steps, you will get the ultimate silky smooth hair. If you have very frizzy hair, like if you blow dry or if you use straighteners or curlers a lot, you will definitely have frizzy and damaged hair. If you have wavy hair, it will not make it straight. You have to blow dry to make it straight, but definitely it makes your hair very silky. After the shampoo and mask, you don't even need to use serum. If you wish to, you can definitely, but you don't need to. It has peptide, right? So it will give your hair a very beautiful volume as well. If you want that effect right after shampoo and mask, definitely grab this combo, guys. It has both keratin and peptide, which will help to repair your hair and will give volume, smoothness, silkiness and shine. One more thing, if you're wondering if it is a sulfate free shampoo or not, it is not. It has sulfate as the second ingredient in the list. In my previous Schwarzkopf keratin review, a lot of you have asked me if you can skip the mask or not. It's totally up to you guys. It just provides health to your strands, okay? You definitely need to take care of it by doing spa or applying mask. Spa is a whole another process. It's very time consuming, but it just takes 10 minutes, you guys. Definitely use the mask to see the result. I think one of the best range that I have ever tried from Schwarzkopf is the hyaluronic range, and after that I swear by this range. Also, if you have chemically treated hair, like if you have done smoothing or keratin treatment, you need to take care of that smoothing for the longer run, right? You cannot come back to home and you cannot just use Pantene shampoo on those chemically treated hair. You definitely need something which will hold the chemical treatment on your hair, and that's why you need this type of shampoo. Although if you have colored hair, this will not hold the color. So yeah, that's my overall point of view about this product. Do I like this? Absolutely yes. Will I repurchase it? Many times. This range overall is a miraculous range, you guys. Definitely give this range a try. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to purchase this separately or as a combo, I will put all the necessary links in the description box below. I do have affiliate link. I will earn a little bit of commission. It is not a sponsored video, guys. This is just an affiliate link that I have given on the description box below. So if you are purchasing something, I will earn a very little commission from that. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that and you will get to see the video quickly. And also like it and share it with your friends and family. They also need something, especially I feel like our brothers, grandmas, everyone. It's not a gender specific shampoo. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care. Okay, bye. And do let me know if you want me to try out any other products from any brand whatsoever, irrespective of anything. If you wish to try me out something, I will be open for that. Okay, bye.